Hi, Steve. I wanted to show another way to address with the shelf if you want to kind of snap to these slots. An easy way to do that is we can just say move the anchor point to where we want to drop it on here. So for instance, I would assume this corner right here should snap into this corner here like that. So what I'm going to do is pick the anchor and just drag it right to that corner. And the longer whisker, which is the height, is always perpendicular to the surface you drag on. So we want to click that and rotate it 90 degrees. Alright, so it's perpendicular to this face. So now that we have that there, we can drag this into a catalog. This has nothing to do with Smart Snap, it's just placement of the anchor. We'll suppress this and say, hey, I want to drop it here. You can come in and just drop it right to that corner and it knows how to automatically go there without putting any smart assembly. Now the trick is if you want to go up in increments here, you could use, there's two ways to do it. You can use the tribal and then lock this axis, right? But before you do that, let's right right click anywhere on the clear area of the tribal and say snap, change snap increments. I have it set to 1 inch because these slots are 1 inch apart. And so we lock that, and now you just hold the control key, which helps you move the snap. Whoops. So if we pull on this handle, see it's not snapping, but if you hold the control key, it'll snap into 1 inch increments, but you have to hold it from the first time. So hold the control key and just drag, and you see it's snapping in 1 inch increments, and you can enter that if that helps. Another way to do it is putting a smart dimension on here. Let's say you want it from this top face to the top face of that, which is some weird number, but it doesn't matter. Lock it. So now this, you won't be able to move this with the tribal because it's locked. It moves everything around it. But you can then come and just change the increments of this. Say +2. You could say -4 is, and that's another way of doing it, and that stays there all the time. So just another way of looking at how you can do that outside of Smart Assembly. Hope this helps.